Welcome to your hypnotherapy session. I invite you to listen to this recording at a place where you won't be interrupted, where you feel very safe and very comfortable. Never listen to this recording while driving or operating any heavy machinery. I invite you to see this session as an opportunity to spend some time with yourself. I want to invite you to lay down and find a very comfortable position. Ideally, just facing up, hands, feet uncrossed, and just take a deep breath into your abdomen. Just begin by paying attention to your breath. Nothing to think about, nothing to worry about. You simply breathe, let go, and relax. Throughout the session, you will be connected to my voice, and it will help you to feel very safe and very taken care of. I will be speaking directly to your subconscious mind. Your conscious mind, it can follow along or just simply relax. And either way is totally fine. From this moment forward, any outside sounds that you may become aware of, they will simply help you to relax you more and more. And as you continue to breathe, you naturally begin to feel very present in your body, present in your feet, your legs, your knees. You breathe, feeling present in your abdomen, your chest, your shoulders. Present in your body by just simply wanting to be there. And you begin to notice how very comfortable your body is beginning to feel. You are supported, so you can just let go and relax. Just inhale and exhale. And I invite you to imagine that on top of your head is a beautiful ball of light. That light, it can be of any color that you choose, just knowing that it represents the most peaceful, the most calming energy. That light, it begins to move, almost as if it was liquid. And I invite you to imagine that liquid relaxation enters from the top of your head, down, 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 relaxing every cell, every organ, and every muscle in your body, relaxing your mind, your emotions, and your physical body. Just feeling as if you are drifting and floating in a very peaceful, safe, and calm space. And that liquid relaxation, it continues down through your forehead, allowing your thoughts and your mind to let go, and relax. The liquid relaxation, it continues down through both of your eyes, allowing them to roll back and let go. Roll back and let go. Your eyelids, they feel so heavy, so comfortable, so relaxed. Just feeling as if you are drifting and floating. Giving yourself permission to let go. Your eyelids, they feel so heavy, so comfortable, so relaxed. Just feeling as if you are drifting and floating. The liquid relaxation, it continues down through your face, relaxing your jaw, moving down through your neck, into your shoulders, relaxing all of the muscles in your shoulders, feeling as if a great weight has been lifted. And that liquid relaxation continues to move down through both of your arms, relaxing your muscles, moving through your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, moving down, 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 all the way down to the tips of your fingers, letting go of any tension, releasing any control, feeling a deep sense of trust, security, and safety. The liquid relaxation, it continues down through your chest, allowing you to breathe more easily and peacefully. And it continues down through your abdomen, relaxing all of the muscles in your abdomen, releasing any stress, any doubt, any negativity, allowing the liquid relaxation to continue down through your hips, your legs, your knees, moving down, 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 all the way down to the tips of your toes, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. You are completely relaxed now. Completely relaxed now. Mind, body, and emotions. And from this place, in a moment, I will begin to count back from the number 10 to the number 1. And with each number, you will feel the soothing weight of the relaxation taking you deeper down into your most comfortable state. 10, letting go. 9. More relaxed. 8. Down deeper. 7. Deeper down. 6. More relaxed. 5. Letting go. 4. Down deeper. 3. Deeper down. 2. And 1. 10 times deeper into a complete and total relaxation from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, completely relaxed now. And now, imagine a peaceful and special place. You can imagine this special place, and perhaps you can even feel it. Allow yourself to go to the most comfortable, relaxing, safe space for you. You are alone, and there is no one to disturb you. This is the most peaceful place in the world for you. And just imagine yourself there. Feel that sense of peace flow through you. Just a sense of well-being. And allow yourself to enjoy all of those positive feelings. Throughout the session, with each breath, you will allow yourself to go deeper and deeper down in your relaxation. Remember, nothing to think about, nothing to worry about. And because your thoughts and your mind are peacefully relaxed, your subconscious mind opens up to positive hypnotic suggestions. Remember that your subconscious is your protector. And as your protector, starting today, it will alert you of any negative thinking patterns that no longer serve you and support you. Anytime that you encounter any negative thought process in progress, you will immediately stop, take a deep, slow, conscious breath, and remember that those negative thoughts have no value. Those negative thoughts have no value. They do not give you any positive messages about yourself or about your life. They do not help you resolve any problems. They have no value. And just continue to breathe and relax. Remember that all of those thoughts have no value. You have reached a point in your life where you desire to make yourself and your well-being your priority. And you begin to see yourself as a whole, physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually healthy. You recognize that all parts of you are important and require your attention and your love. And you've realized that emotions are actually one of the most beautiful parts of us enjoying and living life. You know now that you have emotions, but you are not your emotions. They do not define you. They do not dictate your worth. They are simply a part of who you are, a tool. There are no good or bad emotions. Simply, some emotions are more enjoyable and easy to process than others. And starting today, it will be easy and effortless for you to become aware, connect, feel, and process your emotions consciously. As you move through your day, you give yourself permission to take some deep, slow, conscious breaths, simply acknowledging what you are feeling and experiencing at any given moment. Breathing, inhabiting your body, feeling and observing, aware that you are experiencing an emotion, but not judging it, not denying it, not forcing it, just breathing and accepting that it is there. Breathe, present in your body, feel and observe. You begin to notice that the more that you deny your emotions, the harder it is to connect with them. The more you allow yourself to feel your emotions, the easier it is to move past them. When you bring your awareness to any emotion of fear, shame, pride, maybe guilt, rejection, abandonment, and you have the courage to feel the emotion, breathe through it, and accept it without judgment, the emotion begins to lose some of its power. You begin to connect deeper with those emotions of certainty, of trust in yourself, of peace and acceptance, of balance, joy. You begin to have a whole new attitude about life. You don't lose yourself in the stories of what happened. You take responsibility of how you feel, of your part, and you take loving action to resolve anything that needs to be resolved, to set boundaries, to say no, to learn something new. You begin to feel empowered. You begin to feel capable. Knowing that your emotions are guiding you back home to those beautiful feelings of love, acceptance, joy, trust, certainty. These feelings that they have always existed within you. Feelings that you always have access to, no matter where you are. They become your power. Maybe in the past, or at certain moments in your life, you might have felt that those feelings were not even existent. But now you realize that those feelings were at the foundation of all the emotions you had not allowed yourself to see. So now you breathe, you feel, you accept that no emotion, no matter how painful, deserves you hiding from it. And no emotion carries the ability to take away your worth, your value, your uniqueness, your story. Starting today, you begin to build a loving and accepting relationship with your emotions. And what brings you closer to them is your ability to pay attention to them, to recognize them and breathe into them. You begin to realize that you feel more alive. That feeling is a gift that now you choose to use. And you feel supported. You feel as if you are there for you. As if no matter what you go through, you have your own back. Your own support, your own love. And it feels so good. Because you no longer need rules or other people's approval to love and accept yourself. Today, at this moment, with everything you have been through, to be alive at this second, you love and accept yourself exactly as you are, because you can, because you choose it, because it feels good, and because you deserve it. And you feel better and better every single day, striving for a consistent, compassionate, loving state of peace and acceptance, where no matter what happens in your life, you can always come back to this place. Breathe. And just allow all of these positive emotions to sink deep into every cell of your body, because they belong to you, and you will have access to them way after this session is over. remembering that your love, your ability to experience love, and your ability to love yourself is limitless and always available. So from this place, in a moment, I will begin to count back from the number 5 to the number 1. And with each number, you will begin to come up. And when you hear the number 1, you will open your eyes, just feeling awake, alert, and present in the room. 5, begin coming up, just paying attention to your surroundings. 4, you will remember everything we talked about during this session. 3, feeling a deep sense of peace, feeling calm, feeling relaxed. 2, feeling your toes and the fingers on your hands. And 1, open your eyes, awake, alert, and present in the room. Just take a deep breath. Take a moment to fully come back to awareness, putting a gentle, loving smile on your face, stretching your body, remembering that your love is limitless, and taking this feeling with you everywhere you go today.